You know how it is. Finally getting home and relaxing after a long day on your feet. Unfortunately, a painful bunion triggered by Hallux Valgus can prevent you from enjoying this. Hallux Valgus is a deformity of the joint connecting the big toe and the foot, resulting in a misalignment of the big toe. More than 20% of all women worldwide suffer from this malposition of the big toe, which can cause intense pain and severely limit the movement of the foot. In most cases, Hallux valgus is a hereditary deformity, and it is the most common problem of the forefoot. Bad footwear might contribute to this, resulting in this malposition. One should always try to correct the foot with conservative options, for example splints or bandages. Correction with a splint like this takes place in the three components of the pathological change in the foot. First, correction of the joint. Secondly, correction of the rotation and simultaneous correction of the bunion. Thirdly, the midfoot bandage stabilizes the midfoot. The Hallufix splint is easy to put on and can be worn on both sides. The midfoot bandage supports the transversal arch, while the toe bandage corrects the misalignment of the big toe. The dynamic splint with its movable hinge can also be worn during the day, which results in a faster and more effective correction.